Won't your keys look great on a do-it-yourself leather tassel keychain? What spurred on this project? Well, my son asked for his old leather working tools, and boy did it bring back a lot of fun memories, and I thought maybe we could make something out of leather. You could use leather or faux leather. This came from an old coat. And cut a piece that's about 4 inches by 7 inches. Then draw a line 3/4 of an inch from one long edge. Cut your fringe as narrow as possible all the way across that piece of fringe. Doesn't that look good? Then take the leather and cut one more 1/2 by 4-inch piece, and that's going to go through your swivel lobster clasp or other keychain clip or ring that you want to use. I used E6000 glue and glued that small piece shut, and then put a bead of glue all the way across the fringed piece. Rolling that first small piece up as tightly as I can in the fringe, I have a tassel. Doesn't that look great? I went ahead and added a little bit of twine to the top to hold it tightly and just for decoration. Plus added a few beads onto the ends of that twine, which looked really great and made it look very rustic. I think I'm going to give it to my son when I give him those leather working tools. It would also look great on a suitcase or a backpack or anything else you wanted to put it on. It would make a great gift. The Do-It-Yourself Leather Tassel Keychain complete instructions are found over at welcometonanas.com. Come on over for more crafts and activities and join the fun.